What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be installing the Show and Go power retractable license plate for my 2010 Camaro SS. Should be a fairly simple install. Basically, we're just going to figure out the best mounting spots and how we want to wire it, and then see if it works and test it out. It's definitely a lot better right now. I have license plate plugs. I really hate that the factory drilled holes into the license plate for the bracket, but it's required by law here where I live, so obviously I need a license plate or I can start paying for tickets. So with that being said, let's dive in. Here is the packaging.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
I'm not taking any real credit for this install. I basically just followed the instructions, and then I also saw another install video on YouTube made by Ed Minchie. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Correct me if I'm wrong. But basically, what we're gonna do here, this is the receiver. We mounted that there. These wires will all be ran. This is going to the actual bracket itself, and then this power will be going to the fuse right there, the power to the fuse box, and then basically the ground wire will be bolted behind the radiator bracket. We'll bolt it behind there, and I'll show you once it's all finished. I'm about to cut out a slot here to fit the bracket because I didn't really want it underneath the car because I plan on lowering it, and I just didn't want to deal with it getting ripped off or damaged. And this will kind of be like the ultimate test because I live in a really rainy state, so we'll see if it holds up or if it doesn't. So let's get to the cutting. So basically what I've done here is kind of mask off the area that I will be cutting. I'm basically cutting this piece out. I'm just going to cut it pretty, leaving some gap, and then I'll go in and trim it up. Make sure you wear some eye protection because you don't want stuff in your eyes. So this is the final product, all said and done. It took about an hour with the wiring and install. And let's see it in action. Basically, it comes with this remote. This is for it to come out, and this button is for it to retract in. So let's give it a go.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.